We can see open opportunities, closed opportunities, and we can get a little bit of a historic context about how we've done, but we would like to learn more and predict more about how we can influence the open opportunities that we have, in our pipeline. So this is where Qlik AutoML comes. The output of that prediction, and we can join it back into our application that's into our dashboard that has the opportunities, the opportunity information, the account information, user information. You can see here that we've joined our predictions back into our original data model. So let's take a look at that inside the app. And it's possible certainly to build visualizations with this new data, but it's also possible using Qlik's augmented intelligence capabilities to interact with the data just by asking questions. So we want to ask the open amount by close month year we will win. In other words, which opportunities does AutoML think are going to close by year and month? And so here we have the answer here. We can add this to an existing chart, navigate to that chart, and of course if we would like to change anything about that chart that just got created, well, we could certainly do so here. And maybe I want to make this a line chart or something like that. Now, one of the great things about Qlik is that it's very easy to get down to the detail level information. So we have our open opportunities, and now we've surfaced this prediction data, and now we can tell the opportunities that Qlik AutoML thinks are going to win or lose. Maybe we want to look at the lost opportunities and also those that are in the forecast. So these are opportunities that we think are going to win, but AutoML is telling us we're going to lose. And let's have a look at why. So if we scroll down further below, we can see all of our opportunities and our open amounts and our win probabilities. And importantly, the factors that are going into AutoML's decisioning around why it thinks we're going to lose. So the location has impact, the industry, the amount of the deal, and it seems like to a large degree the deal type, so kind of how we're structuring the deal is affecting things. But this is at an aggregate. If we wanted to get down to even lower level of detail and look at the individual opportunities, we can do so. And maybe this opportunity particularly actually is affected positively by the deal type, and we just need to look at how to structure the pricing for this deal. So in the last part of this demo, we want to action the data. We've talked about freeing the data and finding the data and understanding the data, and now we want to action the data. And so there's numerous ways that we can do that. First is this chart that we have, we can share it out to people. Secondly, if we want to monitor this chart in the hub, we can do that as well. So this chart now becomes part of my hub, and I can look at it very, very quickly. I can subscribe to this chart. And so if I wanted on a schedule to receive this chart in an email, I can do so. And I can also create alerts around this chart. So I've created this alert here that alerts me every time the data is refreshed or on some schedule of my choosing when these particular opportunities that I think are going to lose are going to come to me, and I'm going to get notified by them about them. So this gives me the opportunity to look at these opportunities and take some corrective action. Now, where it really gets powerful is with something called Qlik Application Automation. So with automation, I'm able to automate so many things, and in this particular scenario, I have a scenario where I'm going to be notifying in Teams and updating Salesforce when with the opportunity information that we think is going to for those opportunities we think are going to lose. Now this automation gets the chart image, it gets the data from the application, updates Salesforce, and then also sends some content to Teams. Now I have this set to manual for the purposes of this demo, but this would normally run kind of continuously and as the data is refreshed. So we can see that it's updated data into Salesforce, and if I come over to Teams, then we can see the details are sent into my Teams channel as well. So this could be me, this could be a sales manager, this could be whoever you'd like it to be. And last, let's take a look at the Qlik Sense app. I can also get the alerts on my phone, the charts on my phone, and even the applications directly on my phone, so I can take action even when I'm on the go.